Elevate your average avocado toast with this collection of gourmet specialty products from Spain. To start, we're placing sliced, fresh, ripe avocado on toasted multigrain bread. I'm drizzling the toast with award-winning Castillo de Canena Picual extra virgin olive oil from southern Spain. This Picual olive oil has a robust, fruity flavor that amplifies the avocado and other ingredients. Next, I'm adding a squeeze of lemon and topping the toast with Pescaviar Premium Pearls. These caviar-like creations are made from smoked herring and anchovies and add a delicious pop of flavor and texture. And now, let's add a subtle hint of smoky pimentón ahumado la chinata. To finish, I'll top the toast with some fresh herbs. There you have it, avocado toast drizzled with Castillo de Canena Picual olive oil and topped with lemon, Pescaviar herring pearls, pimentón ahumado la chinata, and fresh herbs.